In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the click-through rate, CTR, of your Facebook ads. Given the competition on the platform, standing out and grabbing your audience's attention is crucial. So let's dive into how you can achieve a better CTR for your campaigns. First things first, you're going to need to access the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing and optimizing your Facebook ads. To get there, simply go to the Facebook Business Manager website. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. Click on the Login with Facebook button. This will ensure that you are entering the back end of your business page, where all your advertising activities are managed. Here you should select your account to proceed. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one relevant to the ads you wish to optimize. After logging in, look for the ads section. You'll find it at the lower left panel of your screen. This is your gateway to EADA management and where you'll begin the journey of increasing your ads efficiency. Once you're in the ads section, you need to access the Ads Manager. This tool is essential for anyone looking to improve their Facebook ad campaigns. It's here that you'll find robust features to create, manage and track the performance of your ads. Now it's time to dive deeper into your campaigns. Go to the Campaigns tab. The Campaigns area allows you to see all your active and past campaigns, giving you a bird's eye view of your advertising efforts. The next step requires you to click on Ad Sets within your selected campaign. Ad Sets allow you to segment your campaign based on your audience, budget, and placement among other settings. It is in this segmentation that the secret to higher CTR often lies. After selecting an ad set, click on Edit. This will open up a suite of options and settings for your selected ad set, allowing you to fine-tune its parameters to optimize for better performance. With the ad set settings open, navigate to the Audience section. Your audience is the backbone of your ad's performance. Understanding and choosing the right audience can dramatically affect your CTR. In the Audience section, click on Create New. This is where the fun begins. By creating a new audience, you have the opportunity to tailor who will see your ad based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. After selecting to create a new audience, choose Custom Audience from the options. A custom audience allows you to retarget people who have previously interacted with your business, whether through your website, app, Facebook page, or other sources. This is a potent way to increase your CTR, as these individuals have already shown interest in what you offer. Now take the necessary steps to create your new audience. Think carefully about who your ideal customer is and try to mirror those characteristics in the audience you are creating. Remember, the more tailored your audience, the higher the chance of your ad resonating with them, which can lead to a higher CTR. A pro tip to remember are breaking your broad audience into smaller segments and targeting each with a tailored ad can significantly enhance your ad's performance. This technique allows you to personalize your ads more acutely, appealing directly to specific interests or needs, which in turn can boost your CTR. In summary, improving your Facebook ads click-through rate comes down to finely tuned audience targeting, understanding the nuances of the Ads Manager, and being willing to experiment with different ad set configurations. With patience and continuous optimization, you'll soon see your ad's CTR climbing. Remember, the world of Facebook advertising is always evolving, so stay curious, stay testing, and keep optimizing. Happy advertising!